is a heavy metal banger about a pink unicorn, and it was written, composed and produced in about 60 seconds by my daughter using a single line of text. No instruments, no software, no tantrums. In this video, I'm going to show you the AI tool that made this possible and how you can use it to unlock some serious and seriously fun creativity with your own kids. Honestly, it's brilliant. Let's be honest, finding something to do with the kids that isn't just mind-numbing screen time or another trip to the park is a proper challenge.
I'm so bad bored.
But what if their screen time could be genuinely creative? What if they could write a K-pop hit about their annoying twin brothers? Or a heavy metal anthem about a unicorn? Today, we're diving into an AI tool called Suno, and in the next 6 minutes, I'm showing you how it can turn a boring afternoon into a full-blown recording session. Stick around. Tell me about your idea for your song.
I don't know.
What's the musical style? I'm gonna have a guess, wild guess, K-pop.
How did you know?
You're being immature.
Hey, that's really immature. That's really immature.
Alright, so start typing it in. So in a K-pop style.
I can't type that fast.
What's the song going to be about? It can be serious, it can be crazy, it can be something stupid.
I
It could be
think
about something you can see in the room next door.
How dare you, sir?
You need to do it about the boys.
Do it otherwise, okay?
Yeah.
So start typing out in. So K-pop style song about.
About not him. He's being loud and obnoxious.
Twin brothers. I'm loving this already.
Brothers being immature, like
K-pop style song about my 6-year-old twin brothers being immature. I love everything about this already. Is it happy? Is it sad? Is it energetic? Is it slow?
K-pop. Alright, let's see what it thinks of
Nice.
that.
Let's see what it throws out.
Right, we need to build it.
Energetic K-pop, upbeat tempo, playful synths, catchy hooks, boy group vocals.
There's no Korean in it, that's not good. That's
Okay.
not
You have to fix it.
That's
Okay,
not
so
K-pop.
get this put in. Add in
Okay.
that pre-chorus line pretty much bang on nails them. And that's actually what we call them. Twinados.
Oh god, that's funny.
If ever there was a conspiracy theory that your phones are listening to you and feeding ChatGPT.
I need to finish reading it. 1 second. Forever little twins dancing to their tone. When the word they ever act, I wouldn't trade them. Right? I would trade it. Anyway, yeah, that's good. Right.
So now, find the correct version of your lyrics. Right-click, copy. Come to lyrics, yet paste.
That's the lyrics.
Nice.
Right,
Now back over to ChatGPT. Now scroll up to the top of the lyrics and it's got the style prompt. You happy with that?
Yeah.
So you can choose if it's male or female here. You can adjust some
I'll do it 6-7%.
adjust some other factors, make it a bit weirder. It's got a style influence bar, so you've told it you want it in that fashion. So if you basically the more you slide it to the right,
There you go. They're
the
both
more it
6,
sticks
7.
to it.
They're both 6-7%.
6, 7.
6-7.
Don't ask. Song title. Twinado. I think that's enough exclamation marks.
There we
Okay.
go. Right, okay. Let's
Create to. Title's too long. You've got too many exclamation
That's not
marks.
very nice. That's not very nice. There we go. That's not very nice, you know.
Here we go. So while it is still creating, we can start listening to a preview.
Yeah, 2 little shadows racing through the hall.
To the vibe. But then that.
Sounds crazy.
Yeah, it's about you guys.
I'm not crazy.
Sing on the floor, double trouble, knocking at my door. They never listen, they just run away. 여섯 살 장난꾸러기, 6-year-old princess play all day. My twin told me.
I'm gonna crank the weirdness right up on the next one.
Yeah.
All right, do it. Whack create again. Weirdness factor 100% because this isn't weird enough as it is. The next version, 100% weirdness.
Energetic, upbeat tempo, playful synths, catchy hooks, boy group vocals. I quite like this one. Crank both up.
Style and weirdness.
Yeah. Right, last one.
It was
last
asking for trouble at this point.
one. I know.
All right, we'll see how these two come out, and then let's do something else that's a bit more weird and out there. As far as I can tell, cranking the weirdness up to 100% just breaks it.
There you go.
6, 7.
6, 7. Tell me if you know that.
I don't understand why it's a thing, but it's a thing.
Tell me if you know that. We can be friends. Okay.
I still don't get bubble tea.
It's amazing.
Like, I want my drink to be a drink. I don't want my drink to have solid bits
Not
in.
the chewy. Not the chewy kind. This one right here has only got one more left in it.
All right, this has got like.
Two little shadows racing through the hall. 웃음이 터져, laughter explode. Ignoring every call, building pillow castles crash.
That one line is so true because they bought one yesterday and took all the pillows in the house. How many pillows? They took them from me when I was sleeping. Quite like that one.
Nice, like it.
Right,
Let's do something a bit different.
Rock.
Different genre. Rock.
No, heavy metal.
Heavy metal.
That's not good enough.
Love it.
Heavy metal.
Now, what kind of song would just be completely unheavy metal?
Pink fluffy unicorns.
I'd buy that. But we
You
don't have to. Jinx! Oh, damn! I won't put that in.
But I totally did.
Pick up a unicorns. Yeah, that's the gun. Do it.
Let's see what it thinks about that. Yes, perfect, right.
Brilliant. Right. Copy all that.
Whee!
Bang it into Suno.
Calm down. That's where the dog has
The
ankle
dog's just
issues.
seen a cat or something in the garden. Hello. Hello.
So doggy. Bodie.
Cool. Now go and get the style prompt and copy that in. How you doing? Yeah?
I'm making a song about pink fluffy unicorns.
Yeah. You tell that cat. You tell that cat. You go.
The clean chorus.
I'm so excited for this.
Same. Right, let's see.
Yeah, change the name. Pink Floofy.
Unicorny. Is there no lyrics at all?
That's your Violet growls. That one's good.
Stop now.
And there we go. 2 completely ridiculous songs. Was that fun? Awesome. Next,
The one that don't
on
like
another
lyrics.
day, should we make a music video with one of those? Right then, from K-pop bangers to heavy metal unicorns, I think we proved that you don't need a recording studio to have a ridiculously fun and creative afternoon. This was never really about the tech. It was about finding a new way to connect and create something brilliant together. And that's what this channel is all about. Finding these incredible AI tools and using them in our normal everyday lives as parents. So if you got some value from this or just a good laugh, do me a favor, hit that like, hit that subscribe button because there are more AI tools, tips and tricks on the way to make your life easier and a little bit more fun. And if you know another parent who's looking for a brilliant weekend project with the kids, please share this video with them. It might just make their day. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Stay peachy.